Imagine a world where every woman has the confidence and support to advocate for herself in the workplace, regardless of her background or circumstances. This vision drives SorayaAI, an innovative solution named after the Afghan queen Soraya, a champion of women's rights. SorayaAI connects women with mentors to navigate career challenges, providing the tools and guidance needed to overcome gender bias and achieve full potentials.
Up to 80% of women struggle to advocate for themselves in the workplace, including salary negotiations, promotion opportunities. How can women be expected to thrive in their careers when they don't feel comfortable and confident enough to advocate for themselves? This could be resolved through the power of mentorship, which is where our AI solution, SorayaAI, comes in. SorayaAI will match women to tenured mentors who will provide them with invaluable advice about their respective fields, helping them navigate instances of discrimination, and most importantly, allowing them to feel comfortable.
We recognize the wage gap and gender inequality as significant issues, but understand that each woman has unique circumstances. Our AI will cater to this whether women are entering the workforce after high school, university, or maternity leave, prioritizing intersectionality. Our logo, the evil eye symbol, symbolizes how Soraya can protect women from the evils that persist in the workplace and gender biases.
Our AI will first conduct an interview with interested mentees to assess their needs, preferences, and particular background, in conjunction with the data provided by the social media platform to build a detailed profile which will be matched with an appropriate mentor. The mentee then will be able to select which mentor is best suited for their interests and contact them. The deployment of the SorayaAI solution will be alongside its own app and website integrated within social media platforms from Instagram, Facebook to LinkedIn to ensure all regions and their social media preferences are accounted for. Within the AI, there will be a voice chat assistant and voice chat option alongside text that can be utilized to ensure accessibility in more detailed prompt ideas and inputs.
Given the current political landscape of Afghanistan, where women do not have the freedom to work, to education, to autonomy, our AI model can provide alternative online income opportunities through our mentorship program, helping women support themselves through our mentorship program, helping women support themselves even under restrictive regimes. This can ultimately support women here and exceed international borders. This makes our AI mentorship program accessible to women all over the world, regardless of their backgrounds.
We are SorayaAI.